This is how Tesla builds some of the most advanced electric cars in the world, and the process is far more complex than most people. Imagine it all begins with raw materials. Massive rolls of aluminum and steel arrive at the factory every single day. These materials are carefully selected because Tesla focuses on strength, weight reduction, and efficiency, which are critical for electric vehicles. Inside the factory, these metal sheets are fed into giant stamping machines. These machines use enormous pressure to cut and shape the metal into precise parts of the car body. Doors, roof panels, and structural components are formed within seconds. What makes this step impressive is the accuracy. Each piece must be perfect because even a small error can affect the entire car later in the process. Once the parts are shaped, they move into one of the most fascinating areas of the factory, to body shop. This is where hundreds of robotic arms take over the work. These robots work with incredible speed and precision, welding thousands of points across the car's frame. Sparks fly as the machines connect each piece together, forming the skeleton of the vehicle. Unlike traditional factories, Tesla relies heavily on automation, which allows faster production and consistent quality across every unit after the welding process is complete. The car body begins to take its recognizable shape, but it is still just a metal shell at this stage. Next comes the paint shop, one of the most controlled environments in the entire factory. Before painting, the car body goes through a cleaning process to remove dust, oil, and any impurities. This ensures that the paint will stick perfectly and last for years. The painting itself is done in multiple layers. First, a base coat is applied, then color layers are added, and finally a protective clear coat is sprayed on top. Each layer is carefully dried and inspected before moving forward. This process not only gives the car its final look, but also protects it from corrosion and damage once the paint is complete. The car moves to the general assembly line. This is where the vehicle truly comes to life at this stage. Both robots and human workers work together, combining precision and flexibility. The battery pack, which is the heart of an electric car, is installed from underneath. This component is extremely important because it determines the car's range and performance next. The electric motor is added. Unlike traditional engines, Tesla's motors are compact, efficient, and powerful. After that, the interior components are installed. Seats, dashboard, screens, and control systems are carefully fitted into place. Every wire and connection must be perfectly aligned, because modern cars rely heavily on software and electronics as the car moves along the assembly line. More features are added, doors are attached, windows are fitted, and wheels are installed. At this point, the car starts to look complete, but it still needs to go through a series of tests before it can be delivered. Quality control is one of the most important steps in Tesla's production process. Each vehicle is carefully inspected using both machines and human experts. They check everything from panel alignment to electronic systems. The car is also tested for safety, performance, and durability. Some vehicles go through simulated road conditions to ensure they can handle real-world environments. Even small issues are fixed immediately. Because Tesla aims to deliver a near-perfect product once the testing is complete, the car is cleaned and prepared for delivery. This is the moment when a collection of raw materials finally becomes a fully functional electric vehicle, from metal sheets to a high-tech machine. The transformation is truly remarkable. What makes Tesla's process unique is its heavy use of automation and innovation. The company continuously improves its factories to increase speed and efficiency. Every year, Tesla finds new ways to produce more cars in less time without compromising quality. This is why Tesla has become one of the leading companies in the electric vehicle industry, and the next time you see a Tesla on the road, you will know the incredible journey it went through inside the factory from raw materials to a finished car. This is how Tesla builds the future of transportation.